nestled in the Islamic heartland, there lived a young boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was a true embodiment of beauty, not only in his physical appearance but also in his character and unwavering faith. The story of a beautiful boy infused with the essence of Islam began to unfold as Ahmed grew older. From a very young age, Ahmed was taught the principles of Islam by his devout parents. They instilled in him a deep love and respect for Allah, as well as for the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. With their guidance, Ahmed embraced the true essence of Islam: compassion, mercy, and righteousness. As Ahmed reached his teenage years, he faced numerous challenges, both internally and externally. Ahmed understood that Islam was not merely a set of rituals but a comprehensive way of life. With this understanding, he made a conscious effort to apply the principles of Islam in every aspect of his life. Ahmed's genuine kindness touched the hearts of everyone around him, fostering a sense of unity and compassion within the community. Ahmed's journey took an unexpected turn when he decided to embark on a pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca. Inspired by this spiritual experience, Ahmed returned to his village determined to share the beauty of Islam with others. He initiated interfaith dialogues, inviting members of different religions to come together and discuss their beliefs in a harmonious environment. Through respectful conversations and mutual understanding, Ahmed managed to dispel misunderstandings and foster a spirit of tolerance and acceptance. The impact of Ahmed's actions rippled far beyond his village. News of his endeavors spread, catching the attention of media outlets and inspiring others with his beauty, both in appearance but also in the way he exemplified the teachings of Islam.